What's up, reviewees? I'm here with another food truck review that came in the neighborhood, and it's called the Lawyer's BBQ. So,
welcome to the review board. Sit right down and just enjoy. Eat it on steak before you go out and buy. These are the guys. The review board. Welcome to the review board. Sit right down and just enjoy. Jake, Joe, and Petey, Puff, and the boys are on the review board. Welcome to the review board.
this is what I got. I got mac and cheese. I don't remember what the rice was called. Jambalaya rice, sorry. And the pulled pork sandwich. So now I'm gonna dig into the mac and cheese. Pretty good. I like it. Probably gonna give that like 8.3. That's really good. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the jambalaya rice. That's also good. I would give that 8.4. Those are up there. Those are good. Okay. Now I'm gonna try the sandwich. Now that's 10 out of 10 right there. And I told you the food truck's name was the Lawyer's BBQ. If they're around you, you should totally go see them and order whatever you want from there. And like and subscribe. And if no one's told you today, you're a 10 out of 10.